Let me show you how to replace XLOOKUP using index and match on an older Excel version. On the left, I have my employee data. Employee number is in column C. Names are in column A. Departments are in column D, as you can see. On the right, I type the employee number here in cell G2. Excel should return the employee's name and department. First, let's return the name. So type this formula in H2. So press equal sign, then say index, then press on column A where the names are, comma, then press match. Just write match on your keyboard, then open the bracket, press on cell G2, comma, then press on column CC where these employee numbers are, comma, then press 0, comma, first comma, then a second comma. Match looks for the employee number in column C. Index then returns the name from column A. Just like that, the name appears. So you don't have again to find all these names again each and every point. Just click on the cell with the name Alexander, then double tap on the click handle to find all the rest of the names. Now let's return the department. So as usual, we press the equal sign, then you type index. It normally appears on your screen. Double tap on it till open a bracket, then tap on the column D, comma, write match, open those brackets, press on the cell G2, comma, on the top of column C, thus you are selecting the whole column, press column C, comma, then 0, press 0, then the first closing bracket, then the second one. Excel pulls the department automatically. So think of it like this: match finds where the record is, index returns what you want. This works on all Excel version even if you don't have XLOOKUP. If lookup is missing on your Excel, don't panic. Index and match will never fail you. I've put this exact example in my Excel starter kit, link in bio. Always remember that in index, what is just trying to say, the first thing it is trying to say what you want, then comma, that's what index one. Now the match comes and say what you know about what you are searching, then where to find out, then the exact number or the options available. So if you follow this video closely, by the end of it you will have known how to locate that employee, even if you've got just the I've got a cough, sorry. Even if you have got just the employee number. Thank you.